If you are a parent and you want your child to succeed in learning, you need to watch this video. And if you are a student that you have the opportunity to stumble on this video, I want you to listen to me carefully. This thing that you are about to hear can change your destiny forever. Now, I want you to know that you can score any mark that you want in life, in your school, in your studies. Whatever grade you desire, you can actually score that grade. All it takes is for you to be able to pay the price. And the currency of exchange for whatever grade that you want to have is your time. Time is the currency of exchange in the world of success. Whatever you want to be successful at, you need to devote a lot of time for it. I have studied a lot of top students. I have discovered that they devote more time for their studies than below an average student. Most below average students and average students, what do? The moment they come back from school, they just throw their bag on one side and they grab remote control and they begin to move from one channel to another channel, or they begin to fumble with their phones, chatting with their friends, chatting their lives away. Because your time is your life. Every second that ticks off is a portion of your life. And it's a portion you could have exchanged for something meaningful. So, if you want to succeed in learning, if you want to succeed in life, you must treat time differently. Top students don't spend their time anyhow. They know how to invest their time into their studies. They don't allow time wasters. You know what time wasters are? Well, there are many of them. As a matter of fact, do you know that you can actually waste your time while in the class? If you are in the class and you are not focused, you know what you are doing in that class? You are wasting your time. And I want you to always substitute life for time. Each time I mention time, you are wasting your life. So you need to take time more seriously. Now, you need to understand that your currency of exchange is time. So what are the time wasters? Number two, well, you can actually waste your time by sleeping too much. If you are a student and you really desire to top your class, to do well in your learning, can I tell you something? You cannot afford to spend more than 7 hours sleeping in a day. Any hour you spend above 7 hours sleeping is a waste of time. All right? And it's an hour you could have exchanged for new knowledge. So your time is the principal thing that you need if you want to succeed in learning. What mark do you want to score? What grade do you want to have? Then how much time are you willing to put into your studies in order to get that mark, in order to get that grade? All right, success don't come cheaply. It comes with a price, and the currency of exchange is time. You are correct. I hope to see you in my another video. See you again.